Hi, this is Karen with WTA. I love my Cuisinart EasyPop hot air popcorn maker because it's so easy to use. It already comes with this measuring cup, which is just perfect for the amount of popcorn that I want to make, which usually ends up being around 4 cups of popcorn. And I love to know what is in my food, so I like to add just a little bit of olive oil, salt, and I keep mixing. My conscience is relaxed when I know that my snack is not fried. It doesn't have all that my body doesn't like. So this is a super great snack. I love to eat it mostly every day. So this is a super easy, fast snack that I can make every day at home. And I really like that it has a switch to cool air function so I can store it faster. And that's my point of view.